Viewers, Pig Rat back. Gonna do some nighttime action. Brocky sounds like he's pretty keen with this little bad boy, scx24 Deadbolt. Go crawl up some rocks, bit of sand, and yes, let's go have some fun. I don't think I'm going to get up. Oh. Can you see in there? She's pretty boggy. Bit steep too. There you go. So good to get up. There. Oh. We did well. That was good fun. I shall make that a little bit easier to get up, add some more stuff, and we'll get out again soon. So we're back from our run, nighttime little crawl with the Deadbolt scx24. I reckon that goes pretty wicked. Nearly got up that vertical sand bit that I've got. I'll maybe add a few rocks in there so I can get up it a little bit better. And I reckon I've got some shocks kicking around somewhere that'll fit into this. A little bit bigger, and even maybe lower them down a bit so it Gives it a bit more travel, but still sits low. I'm thinking maybe these shocks here will go, because they're about the same size. And see what else we can modify. I don't think too much more. But yeah, that goes wicked. We'll get some more videos soon. Stay tuned.